Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.58. Read the scenario. Find resistance RAB in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to find resistance between these 2 points labeled as RAB. Before solving this problem, we will modify the circuit. The modified circuit is displayed on right hand side. We just swapped the positions of these two connections. The positions of these two connections are converted into a vertical connection rather than diagonal connection. Now, if we observe these 2 points, point A and B, are being short circuited through this direct link. No resistance is present inside this path. So we can say that point A and B are short circuited, and we know that the resistance of a short circuit is 0 ohm. So we can say that RAB will be 0 ohm. So this was exercise problem number 2.58. Thank you. See you again in next video.